Hi, this is going to be an overview of what you need to know for the neuron for Anatomy Lab 8. So here we have a model. This is your neuron. The large part around here is going to be your cell body. Sometimes it's also called the soma, and then this is your axon here. Off of the cell body, you have extensions here. They're generally inputs. These are called dendrites. Then within the cell body, there's a lot of organelles. We're not really going to talk about those. Although we do have a nucleus here, and then the nucleolus in here. So then coming down from the cell body, this is the axon hillock. It's going to go down. Here's your myelinated sheath. This will be your node of Ranvier. Sometimes they're also called neurofibril nodes. So this guy actually comes apart so you can see inside. It's got multiple layers, and then there's also some things in here that can travel up and down. This guy goes all the way down, and then it ends up splitting off into a bunch of different sections or branches. Those will be your telodendria. If you think about a tree, it's kind of the same. It goes out and then it branches out into a lot of different extensions. And then each of those extensions will have a synaptic knob at the end, which will synapse onto another structure. You also have axon collaterals, which are axons that are going to go between different axons. And I think that's about it for the neuron. Oh, one more thing. There's coverings on the neuron. It's kind of like an extension cord where you have cords that are wrapped, and then they're put together with other cords that are wrapped, and then depending on the size, they might be put together with more cords, and they have an outer wrapping on them. So your axon is going to come together with some other axons. Those will have an endoneurium around them. Then that's wrapped with a perineurium. So here's a perineurium, here's another perineurium, and then this outer one will be your epineurium. So epi, peri, and then endoneurium. And that's really it for the axon.